Happy Monday, and I hope you ladies had a fantastic Mother's Day. I don't know about you and whatever part of the country you're watching this in, but our forecast is 85 and sunny. But don't be too jealous. Well, maybe a little. Anyway, I'm Jake Wolfenden with Summit Safety Group, and I want to throw out a few important points regarding your disciplinary action policy. Specifically, the way in which it relates to and functions within your safety program. I just finished up a handful of conferences over the past few weeks, and the issue of disciplinary policies came up multiple times and in multiple scenarios as I was talking to attendees. Three of the most important things you can do as an owner and as a safety manager is number one, have a written policy that lines out the step-by-step process you follow in the event safety protocol is being broken. Examples could be a documented verbal warning, because remember, if it's not written, it's not real, a formal written warning, a probationary period, and then finally, release from employment. Of course, depending on the issue, such as drugs and alcohol use, you might implement a more specific plan with fewer chances, but that's up to you. Number two follows right along with that last point, and that being the issue of following whatever process you set in motion with every employee, whether that's the $10 an hour guy sweeping floors or one of your top manager who breaks the same rules. If you aren't consistent, you're wide open for a whistleblower case with OSHA and likely even worse, a hefty discrimination lawsuit against you and your organization for playing favorites in your discipline process. So whatever you choose, be sure you've thought through those tough scenarios and you're applying discipline at an equal level with all employees. And finally, number three, be sure you're actually using your disciplinary process. I know it's never easy, but if you don't have a documented history of discipline with various safety violations, it's liable OSHA or an attorney could question you as to the leadership and application of the safety standards you say you want everyone to follow. Accountability is huge, so is respect. People will respect what you inspect, especially when safety violations are putting themselves and their teammates in harm's way. Use those disciplinary policies so everyone knows you mean business when it comes to the proper execution of your safety program. For Summit Safety Group, I'm Jake Wolfenden, and I may not know all of you personally, but I do care about each and every one of you. Have a great week, and I'll see you in 7 days.